Hi everyone, I'm back with another tutorial video. In this guide video, I will be showing you how you can log in into your online banking account of Bank of the West. Before we get started, make sure to check your internet connection and also make sure to watch the video till the end. So then, let us get started. As you open up your web browser, right on top, you can see there's a search bar. So then, type in the link, that is www.bankofthewest.com. You can also find the link on my description box below. As you enter the correct link, on the other page you will land inside the official site, and over here the interface looks something like this. Now on this following page, in the top right corner you can see sign in, so then tap on it. As you tap on sign in, on the other page this kind of interface might appear on your computer screen. So on the same page, in the left hand side corner you can see a sign in page. So over here you have to enter your username, so make sure to enter your correct username. Once you're done entering your username, next you'll have to enter your password, so make sure to enter the correct password. And once you're done, tap on sign in, which is right at the bottom, and you will successfully land inside your online banking account of your Bank of the West. So that is how you can log in into your Bank of the West account on your device. That is all for this video. In case if the video was helpful, then make sure to like, share, subscribe and also hit the bell icon so that you never miss an update. Thank you for watching.